Hello everyone! We're here with Anil Bidari, who's conducting a live instructor-led workshop on ChatGPT in just 3 hours. So, in an era where AI is changing the job landscape, why is understanding ChatGPT so crucial?
Essential point to discuss. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, we will indeed see a shift in the job market. Certain tasks will become automated, meaning there'll be fewer jobs in those areas, so you got to be careful. By understanding and leveraging tools like ChatGPT, you can still stay in the job while others will be losing jobs.
That's a wake-up call. So less jobs in future means who has expertise in chat and generative AI will be one few who still will stay in job and relevant. So, who is this workshop tailored for?
Great question. This workshop is ideal for students, working professionals, entrepreneurs, tech enthusiasts, and even professionals in marketing and sales, software programmers, HR, and many more. Basically, anyone keen on leveraging AI in their domain should definitely attend this session.
What can the participants expect to gain from attending this workshop?
Of course, aside from understanding ChatGPT, attendees will be able to deep dive into AI tools for generative content ideas and writing, AI enhanced PowerPoint presentation, like you can create stunning presentation in 30 seconds, using AI for efficient report building and research. Just imagine you have a research white paper, you want to understand it not 3 hours of reading material, but in 1 minute of a research summary. So we'll see how to do it. AI tools aiding in coding and programming. Anybody can code today, as in you can write a piece of code, convert them from a Java code to, let's say, a Python code in a fraction of seconds. AI avatars, we'll be learning how to do that. AI powered candidate screening for HRs, leveraging AI platforms for LinkedIn, how you can improve your LinkedIn profile, doing email outreach, and also how we go about creating chatbots with AI.
That sounds incredibly valuable. How will this workshop prepare attendees for the future?
By mastering these AI tools, attendees can not only enhance their current roles, because if you're already in job, this is the best time to get into, and then you can use this and apply in your job. Plus, in addition, when you see fewer jobs are going to come in the future, you're already ready today. Being well versed with AI will make them highly sought after in the ever competitive job market. And trust me, it's going to be more competitive than you can even imagine today. As in, just remember the keyword, fewer jobs, as in jobs will be very, very less, and you got to be there.
Brilliant! With just 3 hours to go, any final thoughts?
The AI wave is coming, and this is your chance to ride it. Equip yourself with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-centric world. Join us and let's shape the future together.
Thank you, Anil Bidari. Remember, folks, the future waits for no one. Secure your place in it.